In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create printables in Canva to sell on Etsy with this ultimate step-by-step tutorial. Printables are a fantastic way to share your creativity and ideas while making some extra income. Canva is a versatile and user-friendly design platform that can help you bring your ideas to life. Now, let's dive into the process and get you started. First, begin by going to Canva's homepage. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage where you can see a plethora of design options and templates. This is your creative hub. Next, you'll want to search for some templates for printables. Use the search bar at the top of the page and type in printables. Canva offers a wide array of pre-designed templates you can choose from. Browse through and select a design that fits your style and the kind of product you want to sell on Etsy. Remember, printables can range from planners and calendars to art prints and invitations, so there's a world of possibilities. Once you find a template that catches your eye, go ahead and click on it to highlight and select it. This action takes you straight to the editing page where you can customize it to your liking. This is the fun part. Click on Customize this template to begin personalizing the design. Customization is the key to making your printables unique. You can change text, adjust colors, and even add your own images or illustrations. Utilize Canva's extensive library of elements, fonts, and photos to make your design stand out. Don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts and styles to see what works best for your vision. This is your opportunity to let your creativity shine, so take your time and make sure you're happy with the final result. After fine-tuning your design, it's time to prepare it for sharing or selling. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the page. This option presents several ways to export your design. For selling on Etsy, you might want to download a high-resolution file, but for now, let's focus on sharing. Click on Copy Link to generate a shareable link of your printable. This is particularly helpful if you need to share your design with others for feedback or collaboration. Finally, ensure you select the option to allow view access before sharing the link, especially if you're collaborating with others. This way, anyone with the link can view your design, but won't be able to make changes unless you grant further permissions. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating printables in Canva to sell on Etsy. By following these steps, you're well on your way to offering beautiful custom products that buyers will love. Keep designing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it. Your creativity is your greatest asset, and Canva is here to support you every step of the way.